Now, reduction of taxes for import of raw materials and the downward reviews of the cost of power stand out as top policy challenges that some manufacturers would like the government to put into place to boost the sector's output. Here's Alex Mwangi with more details.
Kenya's manufacturing sector currently contributes less than 10% of the country's GDP, with a goal for it to contribute at least 15% by the year 2022. Now, in order for the manufacturing sector to be elevated from the ground and contribute more towards the economy, there are some policies that will need to be instituted. And so I spoke to some of the manufacturers to find out what they have to say about what needs to be done urgently.
Maybe if some of the power utilities or stuff could be subsidized like the way they do in Egypt, or maybe the labor would be available at a very good price. The other thing is also maybe some of the SME companies, it's about the awareness of the government projects or stuff like that.
Kenya's reliance on imported raw materials for manufacturing means that concerns over taxation are at the apex for some of the players in the sector.
Some companies bring stuff from outside, for which it could be friendly when they bring raw materials, for which that would create employment because they'll be able to make more and more products.
There is evidence to suggest that the manufacturing sector needs more intervention than other sectors if it is to roar into life and provide the much needed jobs, particularly for the youth.
The reality is other sectors seem to be growing at a faster rate than the manufacturing sector. The 15% means we need to grow at 36% per annum. It's a stretch target. Countries have achieved such targets. So it just means that we fix the fundamentals.
The curtains will fall on this year's Build Expo Africa on Saturday. Alex Mwangi, NTV.